Okay, so here's this data link file transfer cable. It uses the USB port. You can plug in one end of this cable to, let's say, a laptop, okay, and the other end of this cable into a desktop PC, okay, like so. And on the laptop, let's press Windows and E for File Explorer. Okay, and here we can see a CD drive appeared after I've inserted the cable. So if I take out the USB cable, then that CD drive disappears. Okay, plug the USB again into the computer and a so-called CD drive appears. That's not really a CD drive, that's a software of this USB transfer cable. You can see the two LEDs are blinking, LED and LED. That means that both of the computers are connected. If I take out one of the cables, then the top one will disappear. Okay, so only the other end is connected. Okay, connect that back. CD drive appears and both LEDs are on. Okay, so let's start this program. This CD drive easy suit thing. Okay, and a file manager window shows up. It has only one area, which is for the local host. Okay, and after starting the same program on the desktop PC, let's go to File Explorer, and the same thing. CD drive is here. Open that one. It's not a CD drive, it's from the USB cable. Start that EasySuit.exe. Okay, and we have two parts, this one and the lower one. The lower one is always the computer on which we are currently, and the upper one is the other computer. So since I started the program on both computers, now on this computer also has two parts, and the lower one is this computer, the laptop, and the upper portion is the other computer. Okay, so we can transfer some files. Let's make a test. For example, I'm going to create a file here on the desktop, new, and let's say text document, and let's call it from laptop. Okay, and back to the program. The lower one is the laptop, this machine. Click inside here and refresh it, F5, F5. Okay, and from laptop should be somewhere here. Here it is. Okay, and that file can be copied onto the desktop PC. Right click on it and copy. Okay, and let's go to the upper portion, let's say onto the C drive, and right click and paste. And after I click paste on this computer, let's say on the C drive, that file from laptop will appear here. Okay, so I'm clicking paste and from laptop just appeared. So we transfer the file over this cable, which is using USB plugs. Okay, let's try it with another bigger file. Let's say this one, it's 224 megabytes. Right click copy, go to the same thing, the C drive, inside an empty area, and paste. Now we are copying that file. Okay, and I tested it. It will finish in around 20 seconds, something like that. So by calculating, in 20 seconds I transferred 224 megabytes. Then in 1 second it should transfer around 11 megabytes. So this speed is comparable to the local area network. Okay, and that's about it. If we unplug the cable from the laptop, then the program disappears. Okay, unplug from the desktop PC and the other program disappears. So under Windows, this is Windows 10, this is Windows 8.1, and no driver was needed for this data transfer cable.